Did you know a tiny kitchen spice can work wonders for your health? Cloves, also called the loving spice, are packed with eugenol, a natural antioxidant that fights infections, relieves pain, and strengthens your immunity. Cloves support digestion, respiratory health, and even help with weight management. They're also a natural home remedy for toothache and inflammation. You can try 2 simple clove water recipes at home. For the first, take 1 peeled orange, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, 50 grams of cloves, and 1 cup of water. Boil the water, then add the cloves, cinnamon, and orange and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it first thing in the morning for better digestion and improved circulation. Oranges give antiviral benefits, while cinnamon is anti-inflammatory and supports your nervous system. For the second, take 50 grams of cloves, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 cup of water. Soak the cloves and fennel seeds overnight. In the morning, strain the water, add chia seeds and honey, mix well, and drink on an empty stomach. This drink aids digestion, purifies blood, regulates blood pressure, boosts memory, and keeps your mood uplifted. Cloves add natural warmth to your body, making these drinks perfect for winter or flu season. But remember, cloves may slow blood clotting, so avoid them if you have bleeding issues. Start including clove water in your routine and enjoy better digestion, immunity, and overall health naturally.